the best songs on the radio. This is my only favorite station.
Radio Bogunj.
है ये सुबह नई नया है सवेरा, सूरज की किरणें और हवाओं का बसेरा। खुले आसमान में सूरज का चेहरा, मुबारक हो आपको ये हसीन सवेरा। On this note, a very good morning to respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Mishwa Maheshwari and on behalf of Bhavkund School, a very warm welcome to this wonderful, beautiful and fantastic day that brings together so many budding poets like you on the World Poetry Day.
Today I will represent Sanskrit poem on Matru. Nasti Matru Shama Chhaya, Nasti Matru Shama Gatih, Nasti Matru Shamam Tranam, Nasti Matru Shama Prabha. It means that there is no shade like a mother, no resort like a mother, no security like a mother and no other ever giving fountain of a life.
और मेरी आज की कविता का शीर्षक है हालात। जिंदगी की हर हाल में जीते रहना, हर मुश्किलों का डटकर सामना करना, इन हालातों से है सीखा मैंने। एक हंसी के पीछे 100 गम को छिपाना, पर हर तकलीफ में बस मुस्कुराते रहना, इन हालातों से है सीखा मैंने। गिरना और गिर के संभलना, अपने जख्मों को खुद मरहम लगाना, इन हालातों से है सीखा मैंने। हर कदम पर सबके ताने सुनना, पर इन तानों को तारीफों में बदलना, इन हालातों से है सीखा मैंने।
Good morning everyone. Mind is a very powerful thing and it can play lots of games with us. Through my poem today, I want to awareness about mental well-being. So if any one of you is feeling alone and ignored, do seek help. The name of my poem is Life is Not Easy. I'd stop expecting kindness from others. I'd stop hearing their mindless thoughts. For me, the days had turned white and black without a single rainbowy drop. I was constantly surrounded by people, yet I often found myself alone, thinking to myself, is this the life I want to fight for? People loved me, they used to say, and were even ready to accept me, just that way. But my insecurities, they were like leeches, trying to suck my confidence away.
I wrote it when I passed 10th and was confused what to choose in 11th. So let me start. Billions of thoughts running in my mind, figuring out what will be of my own kind. Heart and brain at the war, chaos rushing at my core. Will it be fair? Will I be able to make it up till there? But one thing I know, if I put my soul, I'll eventually glow. So if you ever feel confused or don't know what to do next, just take a moment of pause and always be true to yourself. You'll know what to do and everything will be alright in the end.
And today we are going to perform a poetry named A Dream in front of you all. A dream is an imagination, whatever I want, but when I wake up it's already gone. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, sometimes it's funny, sometimes it's mad. It's just a dream which can't be true, but if we work hard it can be true. All over it's on us to see our dream. Sometimes we forget it, sometimes we dream it. मैं साक्षी भारती आपके समक्ष स्वर रचित कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। उसका शीर्षक है कोहरे में सोए हैं पेड़। कोहरे में सोए हैं पेड़, पत्ता पत्ता नम है, यह सबूत क्या कम है। लगता है लिपट कर टहनियों से बहुत बहुत रोए हैं पेड़। जंगल का घर छूटा, कुछ कुछ भीतर टूटा। शहरों में बेघर होकर जीते, सपनों में खोए हैं पेड़, कोहरे में सोए हैं पेड़।
This poem I have written when I have expressed my feeling when I got to know about the dates of exam. The moment I know about the exams, it just takes away all my calm. The zone of tension surrounds my mind, which is actually not so kind. Lots of thought roam in my mind, which actually leads stress to my mind. From where to start and where to end, everything got puzzled here and there. War spreads between mind and heart, whether I can do it or I can't. Lots of subject with very less time, which is actually not so fine.
असंख्य તોફાનો વચ્ચે પણ હું સ્થિર છું. નથી બીજું કશું, હું માત્ર તસવીર છું. 400 લાખ છતાં બદલી શકશો ના મુજને. વિધાતાએ લખેલી આપની તકદીર છું. છુપાવીશ ક્યાં સુધી આ શ્વાસની સુવાસને. છુપાવીશ ક્યાં સુધી આ શ્વાસની સુવાસને. વહાવીશ પળમાં તેને હું સમીર છું. મુઠ્ઠીમાંથી ચપટી ધૂળ સરકાવી જો. મુઠ્ઠીમાંથી ચપટી ધૂળ સરકાવી જો. હવાઓની ફરિયા બદલાયેલી તાસીર છું.
मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है आंसू। ये आंसू है जनाब, उसे बाहर आने दो। थोड़ा गुस्सा है, उसे शांत होने दो। ये दिल है जनाब, फिसल जाने दो। कुछ बातें उसे ठहर जाने दो। सोचने समझने में फर्क रखने दो। ये आंसू है जनाब, उसे बाहर आने दो। कुछ सच्चाई है, उसे छिपा लेने दो, पर समझने वाले की राह दिखने दो। ये आंसू है जनाब, उसे बाहर आने दो।
We all make mistakes in our life, and every mistake has different impact on us. So, inspired by this, I have written my poem Awakened Soul. Once decisions are made, it never goes from our life. Some get us stressed, some let us feel blessed. Gives us the lesson to never to do this again, and makes aware that a new chapter of our life begin. New chapter with new experience, and to grow unborn seed.
My poem name is वक्त का पहिया। चलना भी नहीं आता था हमें जब, ना समझ थी और ना गमन था हम में तब। सीखे बड़ी तमन्ना से, सहारा लिया मदद ली और आ गया चलना हमें। समझ नहीं थी हम में तब, स्वार्थ नहीं था हम में तब। और आई समझ और आया स्वार्थ जब, तेरा मेरा छोटा बड़ा सीखा तब। और माना खुद को सर्वश्रेष्ठ। टोका जब लोगों ने, कह दिया उन सबको, हम बड़े हो गए और सीखा सब कुछ अपने आप।
कविता मैंने लिखी है जिसका नाम है बहुकुंज गौरव गान। नीरज सर आपको ये कविता गाकर सुनाएंगे।
मेरी प्यारी सबसे न्यारी भवकुंज इसका नाम, बहती ज्ञान की अविरत धारा, करे उद्धार हमारा।
मेरी प्यारी सबसे न्यारी बहुकुंज इसका नाम, बहती ज्ञान की अविरत धारा, करे उद्धार हमारा।
सर्व विद्यालय से निकली है धारा, जिसमें जीवन सार सारा, ज्ञान और विज्ञान विषय पर सारा, प्रतिदिन अनुसंधान है हमारा।
To close your eyes and feel my poem, feel and I. It is so cold outside, but then a warm drop of water runs down your cheek. The feeling of that is different. On a sunny day, you're lying under a tree and a leaf falls on your face. The feeling of that is different.
बागों में जब बाहर आने लगे, पक्षी अपना गीत सुनाने लगे, कलियों में जब निखार छाने लगे, फूलों पर भंवरे मंडराने लगे, जान लेना वसंत आ गया, रंग बसंती छा गया।
खेतों में फसल पकने लगे, खेत खलिहान लहराने लगे, डाली पे फूल मुस्काने लगे, चारों ओर खुशबू फैलाने लगे। मान लेना वसंत आ गया, रंग बसंती छा गया।
My poem is नई शुरुआत। नई नई शुरुआत हुई है, खुशियों की बरसात हुई है, नए दोस्तों नए शिक्षकों से मेरी मुलाकात हुई है।
My poem name is मित्र। આપણી ભૂલ બતાવે તે મિત્રને ઊંઘમાંથી જે જગાડે તે મિત્ર, હાથમાં હાથ રાખી ચાલે તે મિત્ર, પગમાં આંટી ના પાડે તે મિત્ર.
We all wish to see a peaceful world. With this, I am motivated to write my poem. The topic of my poem is a desire to see. Have you ever thought of a world without any boundaries and barriers? A world without hate, a world without nonsense, and a world without any fears. Just a desire to see a world like this.
My poem is Life After Death. They say if we are born, then we die. I often wonder if there is life after we die. We don't know and never will, because we can never feel it. Body leaves the soul, but the soul is never torn. We are born, then we die. When we die, then will we be reborn?
My poem is Darkest Fear. I am afraid of darkness. It's my darkest fear. I doubt there is someone which makes me afraid of everyone. My darkest fear fills my eyes with tear.
My poem name is Mother Earth. Mother Earth is crying the way man is treating. Rivers are not deep, water is reducing. Whole earth, homes and houses filled with factories, spoiling the soil, greenery is decreasing, cities are increasing, animals are dying. Don't play with nature, otherwise all will cry.
My poem name is बचपन। 1% की बात है जिसकी याद है धुंधली, चला करती थी थाम कर मैं पापा की उंगली, उछलती थी बाग में हाथों से छूने को तितली, मचलती थी रस्तों पर खाने को कुल्फी बिजली, रात में भागती छत पर गुल होते ही बिजली, जगड़ती जब छोटी से पाने को आम की गुठली.
પરીક્ષાથી બધા થાય હેરાન, તૈયારી કરી કરીને થઈશું જૂના ધોરણના મહેમાન. પરીક્ષા શીખવાડે આપણને લખવાનું, નપાસ થઈશું તો પડશે ફરીથી ભણવાનું. પરીક્ષા છે એવી વસ્તુ જે આપે આપણને બદલાવ, થોડો આરામ કરીને લઈએ મનથી સુઝાવ.
My poem's topic is माँ मेरी सबसे खास. एक वो है सबसे प्यारी और देती है हमें खुशियाँ हमारी. ना आने दे कोई आज हम पे, देवी जैसी होती है माँ हमारी. देती है प्यार साथ में संस्कार, कभी डांटे तो कभी करे न्यार. जो हमारी सारी बात समझे और देती है हमें एक आस. मिला है हमें यह वरदान क्योंकि माँ है हमारी सबसे खास. I am sure all of you understand how it feels to be judged. And my poem, Judgmental Weight. I want my listener to care less about judgments and cherish our moment. People will always have something to say about your eyes, about your face, about your smile, about the way you walk or talk.
पिता जीवन है, भक्ति है, शक्ति है. पिता जीवन है, भक्ति है, शक्ति है. पिता सृष्टि के निर्माण की अभिव्यक्ति है. पिता पालन है, पोषण है, परिवार का अनुशासन है. पिता गुस्से से चलने वाला प्रेम का प्रशासन है.
The topic is when I cry. We all know that we have all the things whatever we want, but still we want something more, something extra. When I cry for not having an iPhone, there are people who are just happy without food. When I cry for eating at restaurant, there are people who are happy with just biscuits and water. When I cry for good teachers and classmates, there are people who don't even get education.
जब भी यादों का पिटारा खोला है, स्कूल के दिन सबसे प्यारे लगते हैं. वो स्कूल ना जाने के 1000 बहाने याद आते जब भी स्कूल के दिन याद आते. वो कहते फर्स्ट बेंच पर बैठोगे तो कुछ कमाओगे. वो क्या जाने कि बैक बेंचर ने तो 11 के 7 कमाए हैं.
किसी ने सही कहा, शायद फिर वो तकदीर मिल जाए, जीवन जीने के वो हसीन पल मिल जाए। चल फिर से बैठे क्लास की वो लास्ट बेंच पर, शायद वो पुराने यार मिल जाए।
हे प्रकृति, तारा छे अनेक उपकार, सृष्टिना सर्जનમાં तारा छे अनेक उपहार, ते લીધો મનુષ્યનો અવતાર। हे प्रकृति, तारा छे अनेक उपकार।
A dawn to cherish and a dawn to be glad came by a beautiful dame, sweet and bright. Merry was I in the sparkling dawn, hope in me evoked and dusk in me white and brilliant. A year or two to soak in the dawn and be glad. Soothing dawn drew closer with solace, brighter and nothing to hide.